Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video vlog is going to be, I don't know what, because you guys are following me for the next 3 days and we're going to Palm Springs. My brother's girlfriend is throwing my brother a surprise party. I'm whispering because they're downstairs. So you guys will be included with every single shenanigans that goes on this weekend. There's gonna be great music, amazing food, and a whole lot of litness. Ready and go. Oh my. So I'd like to apologize in advance for what you guys are gonna see in a couple of minutes. I feel like I just had deja vu. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Like I upload a video every single week. Hey. Let's get this crazy ass weekend started. Alright fam, he has no idea. Oh my god, he's gonna kill us. Hi. So we have hella stuff in the back and I'm just gonna get ready over there. It's so hot, like I cannot deal. So he has no idea we made our first pit stop at the liquor store, because you know how that goes. Keep you guys updated. We have a big ass house, like big. Oh, so big. Nice. So nice. So you guys are in for a ride. We got some 1942s up in here. How many is too many though? Right? How many is too many? Too many. We already have too many. Too many. All right guys, we're here. The freaking house is huge. Like I'm lost, okay? I'm legit lost. I'm gonna take you guys on a tour with me. All right, so from the outside, it's very nice. We're gonna enter right in. Happy birthday right there. To the left, we got a little mini bar type of thing, kitchen. We're gonna be like dancing on this little couch area going on over here. We got a little turn up section over here. We got a painting. We got our favorite right here. Look at this kitchen, like look at this kitchen. This is like the size of my downstairs. That's a really cute painting, by the way. Like I'm gonna just stand back and show you guys how big this kitchen is. Like what? And then we got a nice empty pantry. We got a room over here. We got the garage over here. We got a bar over here. I don't know what this is over here. What is this? A little hookah section going on. A little like closet. Oh shit, laundry. You guys, I'm finding out things about this house the same as you, because I literally haven't gone to any of these rooms. Look at this long ass hallway. This is in here. So first room over here is of course mine. Oh look at this granny couch. We got a bathroom. Hey, sliding door. Oh my god, this is a mirror. I'm gonna be here all day. Walking like outfit. Oh, outfit cam will be here for sure. We got another room over here. Oh shit, I trip out. Whoa, that was weird. Oh, what the? Oh wow, it's all bougie in here. Oh wow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Wait, is there a way of going back there or something? Or it's just a bathroom? Oh wow. Oh wow. Dude, what the hell? This thing is bigger than my freaking... What the? Look at this walk-in closet. You guys, what the hell? This place is so big. What else? What else? We got like a back house back there. I'll show you guys the outside later. Alright, update. Just took my first shot. Let me show you guys the outside. It's really sick. I love the sliding doors. You guys have to look at these sliding doors, dude. Look, they open completely. So it's like you're just walking out. We got a grill section over here. We got the pool. We got this little extra house back here. We got a jacuzzi. We got a fire pit. It's hella lit. So peep the Instagram. I'm gonna have hella pictures up on there. Food is ready. Look who came. Getting them shots ready. I have butter in my hand. Hey, where's mine? Eddie! Hey! Nice. Alright. Everyone has their name. Eddie, who's also the MVP. Alright, it's that time of the night. Admiring our Latinos and Latinas. morning, guys. Let's make some breakfast. So there was only one pan, so we had no other choice but to take out a waffle maker to make these pancakes, and they're coming out pretty good. Let's see. Oh wow, perfect. Just like that. Mimosa time. Oh my god. Alright, it's photo shoot day. You girls got all glammed up. You know there's an entrance for my room too? There's an entrance for my room too. We got a cute little outfit. Let's do outfit cam. So this is the outfit for Tay. We got Zara, Marshalls, looking all fire, all cute or whatever. And then hoops from Claire's. Alright fam, we're done. That was so hot. Oh my god, we're taking photos in like 112-degree weather. I don't know how I'm doing this, but outfit change. Time for an outfit change. Outfit change. In the bikini now. Time for the pool because it's hot as hell. I literally cannot breathe. Time to get back to cooking. Back to cooking where I love to be.
So Tam has to have that interview.
It does. Excuse me, sir.
She just doesn't know it.
I see you're taking food out of places it's not supposed to be taken out of. Get it, mama, get it, get it. Hey, hey, hey. And she cooks, ladies and gentlemen. Mommy, right? Look at this dankness. Oh, replay. Todavía no contesta. But this hits different when you have a couple shots of tequila. It's like... Okay, we need to wake up one family member because they're freaking asleep and we need to turn up. See, choice of weapons, choice of weapons. This is like a Tanisha moment from BGC. Alright, David. Work with it, work with it. Woo! Got this. Woo! Oh wow. You guys want to see my core wheel? Yeah. Horrible. My left thigh.
What the hell?
What is that sound?
Let's go investigate. We have investigated the subject. The subject is humping the door. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. They might attack.
That's my type. That's my type. That's my type. Oh. Hey, tell him. Tell him. Hey. Oh. Oh. Let's see. Ready? Ready. And go. Oh my god. Bruh. Oh shoot. I'm gonna be stuck. Wave your hands like this. Yeah. Help! Help! Dude, you're literally gonna flip over. Oh my god. Wow. Did you get it? It's the Titanic. Somebody play Titanic. My Heart Will Go On by Celine Dion, if we're being specific.
Are you talking about the violin part, right?
When they're about to die. Bruh. I'm Jack Rose, stupid. No, you're stupid. You're Rosanna. Oh. Between. I have something in my tooth. I have cilantro. Cilantro. Get the cilantro out of my tooth. Can you die already? Oh, God. Come on, let's go. Okay, stop. Okay, are you
Take it serious. Take two, Ed.
Take two. Don't tell me you bitches don't know the lyrics to this song. It's a classic. Okay, I can't hold my breath. On a level of 1 to 10, how lit are you? 6.5. Oh wow, what the hell?
6.5. Tap, bitch.
Let me give you.
Don't throw me in. Where's the shovel?
Oh wow.
Did you just do that? This mother.
Oh. Whose phone is this? I need to give it back.
Phone.
Oh shit. Sorry, Azad. You're a trooper, man. Alright, I'll take it from here. Thanks, babes. Pop these babies in the oven. 400 degrees. Well, right now it's preheating, but it should be 400 for like 30 minutes and then broil it up for about 10. Woo! Extra. Everyone is drunk and trying to hold their assholes together. Pretty much the whole entire house except for me. We are going to make some popcorn. Now this house has a popcorn machine and popcorn kettles with oil. So let's see how this will come out, you know? I've never made this before, but there's a first for everything, right? This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take it out of its box. So I'm gonna take it out of its box. So how do I do this? I'm confused. Nothing's happening. Starting to sizzle. It's working! Can you hear it? Can you? Oh wow, I'm scared to lift it, honestly. Oh, they're popping! Professional popcorn maker. Holy shit. Yeah. Oh, that's a lot. You guys, I put so little. What the hell? Popcorn seasoning right here. Hot and spicy. Oh, wow. Wow.
Wait, let me try.
Wow. And he's butter, but like with oil, it's pretty good.
Did you make this?
I made this, girl. All right, melted that butter. Now we're gonna add it. Close. All right, guys, it's the AM of the next morning. We are out. Outsy. Out. Oot. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I hate this feeling. Peace out. Time for the road. Oh my god, is this working? I've always wanted to do this. Oh my god, yes.
You look like shit and you're doing it.
I'm gonna do this more often. I like this shit.
So for 2 hours, it's gonna sit there.
We'll see.
Should try for the sauces.
Okay, let's play a game. Let's play the name game. This is how you play. I start off with a name. David.
whatever letter that ends in that name is the name you're supposed to say. So David ends with a D, so then you would say Diane. And then N, Nancy, Y.
Diane ends with an E.
D-I-E-N.
E.
Oh yeah?
I think so.
Alright, I think you're right.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, me first. Nancy.
The Y? Yolanda.
Wow. Amy.
With another Y? You're going there? Yo, mama? No.
Udris. I'll give you that.
Stop going with a Y.
Okay.
You're doing it on purpose.
Okay, S, my turn. Steven.
With an N?
Yeah?
Nick.
With a K? Catherine. With an E.
That's an E, right?
Yeah.
Ethan.
With an N? Noah. With the H. Look at him, look at him.
Color. Look at that. I don't feel good. Why did we eat so much?
Because of you.
You.
I look at you, I get hungry.
Oh wow. Alright guys, it's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this little 3-day weekend getaway with me and my fam. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.